Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn these bad boys into a beautiful little candle. First step is pretty simple. All you have to do is take your leftover candle jar, scrape out the remaining wax, and dump it all into a microwave safe bowl, just like that. You can mix up all your candles or you can do them separately. I'm going to mix mine up. So once you're done scooping out all the leftover wax from the candle jars, you'll have something that looks like this, more or less. It smells amazing. It looks nasty. It smells amazing. It smells heavenly right now. To wash my candle jars, I'm literally just using soap and water and my little dish cleaning brush. So I'm just going to be gently cleaning this, and probably won't use it to wash dishes after, honestly, because there's like burnt wax in here. You might have to use a cloth to get to the very bottom or to the very center where the glue sticks. So the inside is pretty clean, as you can see. I'm going to peel off anything that I don't want. You don't have to do this part. Obviously, it's completely up to you. It's been about 4 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty much black. It's actually kind of like a dark brown. Honestly, I don't really care for the color. As long as it smells good, I'm happy. And I already washed my candle jar, the one that I wanted to use, and I have my candle wick in there. You can, if you want, you can stick it in there with super glue. I'm just going to hold mine in place and dump the wax in. Just be careful not to burn yourself. It is a little bit hot because we did microwave it for a good 4 minutes. So I'm just going to dump it in here, try and hold my candle wick straight. Uh-oh, bismillah. Been sitting for about, I think, 5 minutes, maybe more. I'm not sure. I haven't been keeping track, but I'm going to refrigerate it for about 10 minutes now, and then we'll see what happens after. This is the final look of the candle. It looks like it's a light blue with random blobs of black and yellow. And now I'm going to be very honest, it might not look pretty. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. So this is the final product. That's what it looks like. It's not the prettiest looking, but that's okay. And voila. We've got ourselves a new candle. Oh, I'm so proud. I didn't waste anything. So that's all for today. If you liked this DIY, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if this is at all helpful to you, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.